In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Asana calendar template for consistent scheduling. First, log into Asana and open the project you want to work from. At the top of the project, switch to the calendar view. This view lays out your tasks by date, making it easy to spot gaps or overlaps at a glance. If you don't immediately see the calendar, look for the calendar tab near the board and list options. Once you're there, you're set to build a schedule that's both visual and easy to repeat. Next, set up your task directly on the calendar with due dates. Click on the date where the task belongs, give it a clear title, and save. You can open each task to add more details like descriptions, subtasks, or tags, but the key is to keep the due date accurate. If a task spans multiple days, set a due date for the final day, and if you use start dates, add those as well so you can see the full window of work. Keep names consistent like draft, review, and publish, so your schedule is easy to scan and reuse. As you place tasks, aim for realistic spacing to reflect how your team actually works. Once your calendar looks solid, duplicate the project to turn it into a reusable template while preserving the layout. Open the project menu, choose to duplicate the project, and select the options that keep your structure and dates intact. If there's an option to include due dates, enable it so your timeline stays consistent. You can leave assignees unchecked here to keep it generic and reusable for any team. After duplication, rename the new project so it's clearly marked as your template. Pick a name that tells you exactly what it's for, like Content Calendar Template or Project Launch Template. This helps you and your team find it fast and ensures no one accidentally edits the original working project. From now on, use this template for future projects to maintain consistent scheduling. When you're ready to start a new initiative, duplicate the template and give the copy a specific name. If your timeline needs to shift, use Asana's date shifting options during duplication to move everything forward or backward by a set amount of time. Then make small adjustments as needed, assign tasks to the right people, and you're ready to go with a timeline that mirrors your proven process. That's it. Your Asana calendar template is set up, named, and ready to reuse, saving you time while keeping every project on track.